Okay, so mga ka-FPR Supreme OLR Season 1, congratulations to all our winners. So, hindi po namin ma-explain ang nararamdaman namin sa ngayon. At lubos po kami nagpapasalamat at tuwang-tuwa po sa ngayon para po i-introduce po natin ang ating top 20 ng Katarman Samar, which is ito pong ibon na to with the ring band number QPHA 25-S2968. Ang entry name po ay Night Slope, under po kay Doc Jojo. Punta po tayo dito sa our second place, PHA 24-02085. Ibon po ito ni Sir Ed and Enoch Rapadas, our second place. And our third place, which is Blue Bar, with the ring band number PHA 24-25A007751, Boy Pitingga po, entry name. Our fourth place, with the ring band number KRPC 24-0869, Symphonic Cyrus Lop. So isa po ito sa mga live po natin at paparte sa superset. Next, ring band number BBC 24-21823, entry name Phoenix Empire Loft. Yan, number 5 po natin. Ang number 6 po natin ay PHA 24-361400, Transformers Loft. Yan, punta tayo dito sa number 7 natin. Congratulations, number 7 AU 24-ARPU-9403, SLFU. Entry name SLFU kay Verlon Enriquez. And our 8th place with the ring band number Genetics 24-248053, under kay Sir Jaime Lim. Congratulations. Our 9th place with the ring band number PHA 24A107409, entry name Russell Santos. And our 10th place with the ring band number GB 24-515431, congratulations Sir Cedric Vicente. Our 11th place po mga kalapatids, mga ka-FPR Supreme, our 11th place with the ring band number PHA 24-5106148, congratulations Sir RJA Brothers. So ito po yung ibon niya. Let's now proceed to our 12th place with the ring band number Iraq 24-1255223. Congratulations Sir Arnold Caseda. Now our 13th place with the ring band number Emus 24-24006. Congratulations Team Old Town. Now let's proceed to our 14th place with the ring band number GB24-0558961. Congratulations Jimel and Ferdy Love. Now let's proceed to our 15th place. The ring band number S124-240856. Congratulations Team Lumpia. And our 16th place with the ring band number PHA 24-920145. Congratulations Sir Brayley Kakam. And our 17th place, isa po sa mga live po natin ngayon. Sa mga superset po, hahati rin po ito. At sa tingin ko ay siya po ang first overall champion natin for the season 1. With the ring band number PMRC 24-264473. Congratulations, Ja Love. And then our 18th place with the ring band number KFC 24-2900. Congratulations, Jefferson Magbanwa. And now our 19th place with the ring band number, live din po yung Jefferson Magbanwa, ay papanti din po sa ating superset. Another superset winners with the ring band number GB24-0022646. Congratulations, Team UAE. And now our 20th place, hahati din po ito sa superset po natin. Congratulations with the ring band number PHA 24-0000929. Congratulations, Super Gemini, Attorney Joel Ferreras. So again, congratulations to all our top 20 birds on our last lap, final lap, Katarman Samar.